This video I will explain AI versus human learning. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It means machines or computer programs that can think and learn in a way that looks like a human intelligence. Instead of just following fixed instructions, AI can analyze the data, look at the information and process it. AI can learn patterns, understand what usually happens. AI can make decisions, guess the next step or best choice. Now we will see learning methods comparison between AI and human. AI learns from data and patterns fed into it. Human learns from experience, teachers, and observation. AI needs thousands or millions of examples to understand. Human often learns from fewer examples, sometimes just once. AI makes many mistakes at first, but improves as it is trained. Human makes mistakes too, but can learn from context and reasoning. AI usually trained for one task only. For example, recognizing faces, translating text. Human can adapt to many different situations and subjects. AI remembers everything in the data it was trained on, but cannot understand like humans. Human remembers important things, but may forget details. Can apply knowledge creatively. AI follows patterns, struggles with true creativity. Human can imagine, invent, and create new ideas. AI is very fast at calculations and analyzing large data. Human is slower with big data, but better at big picture thinking. AI has no emotions, works only with logic and instructions. Human has emotions which influence decisions and learning. AI improves only with more data and training. Human improves through practice, feedback, and self reflection. Now we will see key takeaways. AI is like a super fast student who memorizes and repeats tasks perfectly, but only in one subject at a time. Humans are flexible learners who can connect ideas, be creative, and use emotions to guide decisions. AI plus human together can be very powerful. AI handles repetitive or data heavy work, while humans provide creativity, empathy, and big picture thinking. The future lies not in AI replacing humans, but in intelligent collaboration, where each contributes their unique strength to solve complex problems together.